Remove all decor and furniture from the space. Wipe the wall down using a damp rag to remove dust and debris. Be sure to wipe in all the corners and baseboards. Measure 23 inches from the left corner of the wall. Put a mark on the wall at the top, middle, and bottom. You will then take your ruler and draw a straight line ceiling to floor. It's okay if you mess up, that's what erasers are for. Grab panel number 1 and start at the ceiling. You will want 2 to 3 inches of extra material going onto the ceiling. Align the right edge of the panel to the line you drew on the wall. You will want to smooth the wallpaper by starting in the middle and moving out. Using a razor blade and a ruler as a guide, trim the excess wallpaper. Thank you for choosing Paperscape to decorate your home. We hope you love it.
Yep, and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Paperscape Designs to keep up on our newest and latest designs.